Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday, I do believe. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. And we got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh boy. See what's inside, and if you like this item, all you gotta do is add it to your cart, check out really fast, and continue to shop. And I'll ship this to you really fast also. So here we go. HOOSH, the boxer dog. What is this? HOOSH. Alright, let's see what's inside. Aha. I know what this is. Patch installation kit. I gotta do that. Oh man, it's one of those type. Alright, there's that one. This is a case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The big guy. Pull that out in a second. I'm getting the hang of using these iPhones now, so we got this guy right here. That, so see how it fits. There we go. We got nice bumpers right here. You guys can see the bumpers. Fits perfect. Here's the side. Nice little red to it with the button. This front. There we go. Now I don't have to worry about it dropping or something. Should be easy, hopefully. I'm not usually good at these things. Hold on one sec. Alright, sorry about that. Use steps 1. What? Alright. Display, TV, all that good stuff. Alright. Let's try it. Glide sticker. Dust. Wet. Let me go like this. It's pretty clean. I don't use this phone too much. This iPhone 11. I'm using the Note 10 Plus to record in most of my phone calls and stuff. But I might be getting into the iPhone more. Depends. Here we go. That was alright. Yeah, but a nice case. Here's the bottom. Perfect. You guys can see. There's a nice shine to it. Remove dust. Alright. There we go. But, oh lordy. Dog is going nuts in the background, so if you hear the squeaking, that's my dog. Got a chew toy. Or Chewy. Let's see. Hopefully I could do it with the case probably off. The screen. There we go. It's been a long weekend so far over here. Got the birthday weekend going on now. Peel this off. Hopefully I got this right. I gotta do it a little bit. Oops, you guys can't see. Is that gonna work? Oh man, I think I screwed up. Glide time. Maybe not. There we go. Look at that. Might be a couple bubbles. But I think I did it pretty. Oh man. Now they're popping up. Oh, get off me. I think I did a pretty decent job. Yeah. See, there's a little one bubble there. Couple. Alright, hold on. Oh, that happens. Try again. Man. That might be a permanent bubble. Shoot. It's alright though. It is on it. Couple bubbles here, couple bubbles there. Can't always be perfect. Especially having no sleep. But it had a couple bubbles, but it'll be good enough to get the job done. First time trying this kind of style. Right there. Put it back in the case. Oh man. Messed up a little bit, but you can't tell. Looks pretty good. But yeah. It's blocking the front camera, but I don't use my front camera, so but definitely works. That's all I use. It's back. Surprised it didn't come with a back piece for it, but guess not. So not bad though. I think it was like under 20 bucks. I do believe. But and I can still watch stuff on it. Can't really notice that there's a screen protector on it. Except for that one bubble right there and right here. Dang. Rub it out later more. Redo it. Maybe it's too sticky, I think, though. But you guys see how it works. So check them out. HOOSH on Amazon Prime. Link will be down below. You guys have a good weekend. Be safe and see you guys. Hopefully this, I'm not sure about this weekend anymore, but hopefully next week we'll be getting some.
Sorry,
Oh, stop it, Siri. Sometimes she pops out of nowhere, but that's how it looks there. So I shouldn't do no damage by a little scratch, but it looks alright to me. There's that. See, I want to see the screen if it's sensitive still too. Yep. Yeah, it all works. Instagram there. You can't really tell where the bubbles are. So that looks really clear too, so it's a nice, but right here, if you guys could see it, I needed to move it down like an inch. But I mean, it still works, so really cool. And that's about it, guys, for the HOOSH, the Boxer Dog iPhone 11 Pro Max. Get one now, get it fast shipped to you guys, and you guys should have it pretty quick. So there you guys go. Side. Got the red. Top. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend. See ya.